Hello guys, today to speak about the state Oregon. My name is Carlos Gutierrez, level A2 English in SENA. Come on. Flag and shield. This is a flag, the state Oregon, and shield. The flag is blue with yellow letters, and the shield is black with golden letters. They will have the year when they were admitted to the Union on February 14 and 1859 at state number 33. Location. Oregon is located in North Oregon in the state of Washington to a state of Ohio and the south state of Carolina, and the south 8 is state of Nevada to wait Oregon border the Pacific Ocean. Salem. The capital is Salem, known in the story for the Salem Witch Trial, took place between in June and September 1592, and the 19 women were found guilty of witchcraft. Most popular city is Portland. Portland is the most popular city in Oregon, considered to tourist site. Economy development. Oregon have three economy. First, industry. Oregon have the largest longest industry produce wood and paper-based products. Have machines and food industry, a lot of turnings of larger production of technology products in farming, raising cattle for meat and milk, vegetable greenhouse products, fruits and nuts, etc. And forests, records, waters, minerals, and other site for the construction, for example, cement. Thank you.